stopped at a roadhouse in Texas, little place called Hamburger Dan's. I heard that old jukebox playing was a song about a truck driving man. The waitress brought over some coffee. I thanked her and called her back again. I said that old song sure does get me, 'cause honey, I'm a truck driving man. So pour me another cup of coffee. It's the best in the land. And put another nickel in that jukebox. Play that truck driving man. When I get called up to glory, they'll take me away from this land. I'll drive that old rig up to heaven, 'cause honey, I'm a truck driving man. So pour me another cup of coffee. It's the best in the land. Put another nickel in that jukebox and play that truck driving man. I got aboard my old semi, and in a flash I was gone. I got them old truck wheels rolling. I'm on my way to San Antone. So pour me another cup of coffee. It's the best in the land. And put another nickel in that jukebox and play that truck driving, play that truck driving, play that truck driving man.